Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about transcriptions. What is transcriptions? Means DNA to RNA, DNA to RNA in mix. Means what is transcriptions? DNA to RNA formation, RNA formation called transcriptions. How to transcription involve in whatever enzymes, and then how to the procedure happens. So you know DNA replication happen to cell cycles in S phase, but in transcriptions happen to G1 and G2 phase. So means point y you can note down DNA the transcriptions happens in cell cycle G1 G2 phase. This is very important sometimes in asking ki in which phase for transcription happens, then which enzymes involved to these things. Means we will discuss about little bit here how to transcriptions in happens. Means transcriptions, this process to happens 5 into 3 into 5 end. This is the DNA. DNA to RNA formations, single stranded RNA is formations, single stranded RNA in formations for transcriptions. Means here this is called to RNA. In transcriptions enzymes, whatever enzymes to involve RNA polymerase, this enzymes very important. Means RNA polymerase enzymes, you note down, this is very important because transcriptions RNA means whatever RNA processes happens in RNA. Means here RNA, mRNA, transfer RNA, rRNA, mRNA, transfer RNA and rRNA. Then in prokaryotes transcription happens to how, then whatever procedures, then we wrote down the prokaryote transcriptions happens to single RNA polymerase. In prokaryotes single RNA polymerase participate, single RNA polymerase involved. In prokaryote single polymerase, but in eukaryote 3 polymerase enzymes, RNA polymerase enzymes involved. 3 polymerase enzymes means RNA polymerase first, RNA polymerase second, RNA polymerase third. So means in eukaryotes 3 polymerase enzymes, RNA polymerase enzymes, 3 RNA polymerase enzymes involve. RNA polymerase first, first RNA polymerase second. You note down difference कि in prokaryotes single RNA polymerases participate, but in eukaryote 3 RNA polymerase involved. RNA polymerase first, RNA polymerase second, RNA polymerase second, and then RNA polymerase third. These things in whatever the enzymes means which enzymes to synthesis means these things are rRNA or ribosomal RNA. Write down these things. Ribosomal RNA, this is messenger RNA. Synthesize involve means if these things very competition, you need, yes, sometimes in your class, RNA polymerase first to synthesize to ribosomal RNA polymerase to second, messenger RNA, and RNA polymerase third to transfer RNA means these things involve. Then how to RNA polymerase? Then RNA polymerase in 6 units. These things 6 units: alpha, beta, beta dies, sigma, omega. These things RNA polymerase participate to RNA polymerase have to 6 unit like this. 6 unit alpha, beta prime, omega, sigma. 6 unit. So we have to these things alpha, beta prime, omega, beta prime here in sigma factor. This whole unit is called in holo enzymes. So these things for whatever holo enzymes means all steps happens to holo enzymes. These things if remove some dissociations happens to sigma factors. So if sigma factors is removed means it's deassociation of sigma factor. This is called to sigma factor. Deassociations we are removed. So called to enzymes whatever coenzymes happens. Then where is a main things is asking sometimes where is a transcription happens. Transcription where prokaryotes and eukaryotes, so very important for there in transcription prokaryotes in DNA in prokaryotes, this is a prokaryote cells. In prokaryote in DNA to happens to mRNA. One more thing is these things single stranded means mRNA. Here cytoplasm means cytoplasm. Where happens to synthesis? In cytoplasm, in prokaryotes, in eukaryotes, it happens to synthesis in nucleus. Means DNA to RNA in where? Nucleus in eukaryotes. This is the main step of the DNA to RNA in synthesized. Very important for these things. You note down these things also. Whatever the transcriptions, then how many process to happens in cell cycles, in where happens, sometimes asking in transcriptions in prokaryotes, cytoplasm, then after that the eukaryotes come to become these types of the cytoplasm. So you think about, okay, the next steps, how to promoters, starter genes, structural genes in next transcription video. I will provide you next video. Thank you.